Hi guys, I hope you all are good. And today I'm going to talk about how you can apply for the provisional license in the UK. I got mine in 6 days and I will show you the step-by-step process, what you have to do. Before to apply for the provisional license, you had to send some sort of identity proof, whether it is BRP or passport. But now they have done everything online. You just have to enter your details and you will get the provisional license within 1 week, and after that you can apply for theory test. I have made a video on that too, so you can visit my channel and subscribe for more such videos. And before starting the video, I would like to talk about Amber, which is a student accommodation booking platform. If you are coming to the UK in September intake or already living here, the most important thing which I emphasize on is booking your accommodation as soon as possible. So everything is going to book very quickly. Why I'm suggesting Amber? Because it provides 100% verified listings. You can pay in installments, you can avail the offers, whether it is cashbacks, and you can choose your accommodation based on your preferences, what is your budget and how far you are looking from the university. Everything is given on the platform, so all you have to do is visit there and book your room as soon as possible. The link will be given in the description box below. And now let's start the video without wasting any time. So guys, the first thing which you have to do is search provisional license UK and you will see the first link from government of UK website, which is apply for your first provisional driving license. Click on this link and you will reach to this page. So there are some conditions required. You should be at least 15 years and 9 months old. You should be able to read a number plate from 20 meters away, have given permission to live in Great Britain, and you should be living in the UK at least 185 days in a year. So if you meet all these criteria, you are eligible to apply for the provisional license, and it costs £34. When you scroll down, you will see that there is an option of start now. Click there. On this page, you can see what you will need to provide, whether it is email address, your passport, BRP, or national identity card. And they can also ask for NI number. So if you don't know what they are, I have made videos on all these topics, so you can search them on my channel. Then scroll down and click continue. So the first question is, have you been issued with a Great Britain provisional driving license before? So if you are applying for the first time, then just click on no and continue. Then what is your current address, whether you are living in England, Scotland, Wales. So I am in England, so I'll click continue. Before you continue, you will need to provide valid photo and signature for your provisional license. So if you can do it on desktop, then you can continue on this device, or else you can switch to mobile phone. So I will just click continue on this device. Then comes, do you intend to live in the UK for more than 185 days in each calendar year? So for me, it's yes, and I will say continue. Are you currently disqualified from driving in the UK? No. Press continue. Then comes, can you meet the legal eyesight standards for driving? So for me, I wear glasses, so I will select the second options. But if you don't wear glasses, you can just click normal yes and press continue. Now comes, do you have any of these medical conditions? There are many of them. For example, diabetes and total loss of sight in one eye, color blindness. So you can see all of them. Just pause the video. And if you have any of them, you can say yes. Otherwise, just click no and continue. So now they have made a website which is DVLA, where you can create your account, and it makes your process even easier. So just click on continue, where you will have to provide your email address. Then again, click continue. So I'll just fill my details and see you once it's completed. So guys, once you have created a DVLA account, the next page will be about your document verification. They will ask you if you have any of these documents. It is not required to have all of them, but if you have a non-UK passport, BRP and national insurance number, that will be enough. So just go down and click on yes and continue. Then on the next page, they will ask for your details, whether you are male, female, just give your first and last name and click continue. Then comes your date of birth, and after that, it will be your address. Enter your postcode where you are living. So, guys, now they will ask you how long have you lived at this address, and it should be minimum 2 years. It doesn't matter whether it is in UK or anywhere else. They will ask you, was your previous address in Great Britain? If you were living here for 2 years, then just say yes. Otherwise, you can click no and continue. And then comes, what identity document do you have? You can choose BRP if you have that, or non-UK passport. The best would be to choosing non-UK passport, because it will be easier, because once you click on non-UK passport, the next step will be, did you use your non-UK passport to apply for an online immigration status from the home office? And yes, we use our passports for that. So select yes and click on continue. Then comes your passport number. Just fill in the details and press continue again. All right, so now you have to give your nationality. I'm Indian, so I added Indian. You can just add yours. Then click continue. Then comes your national insurance number. If you don't know what is national insurance number is and how you have to apply, I've made a video on my channel. You can refer to that. So simply add your national insurance number and click continue. Now, the last step of your application is you will need to provide a digital photo and signature. There are certain requirements for the image, and that will be given on the website how you have to submit it. If you are wearing glasses, there should not be any reflection. There should not be anything in the background. So make sure you are meeting all the criterias. And then comes uploading your signature. What you have to do is take the black pen and a white paper, do your sign, click a picture of it, and just upload it on their website. Once you upload your photos and signature, they will verify your image. And if you feel like it meets all the requirements, just click continue. So guys, after you have submitted your photo and signature, the last step would be to pay the amount, which is £34. It can be done through credit, debit card, or Apple Pay. Once you have completed the payment, you will receive an email from DVLA that your application has been submitted, and they will give you the estimation that by this date you will get your provisional license. But usually you get it within like 6 to 7 days. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to the channel for more such informative videos, and share this video to all the people who may need it. And I will see you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye, guys.